In the information era, facts, events, and news become available at the click of a button. The information flow is enormous, uncontrollable at times. It makes the financial markets unpredictable to a degree that they can take you by surprise. Are you prepared? There are millions of traders, but you want to be the top. You need to have a strategy. Most importantly, you need a trustworthy partner that will simplify things for you. Hot Forex is serious about its responsibility to you. With its origins dating back to 2010, Hot Forex is the brand name of HF Markets Group, serving clients from around 200 countries. We are a multi-regulated broker with over 500,000 live accounts opened, more than 20 international awards, client support in 25 languages, over 150 employees, and wide global presence. Tight spreads, multiple assets, reliably fast execution, security of funds, technological innovation, multiple account types. The founders of the company started with a vision to create a firm that would ultimately become the market leader in the trading world, a leader known for its superior customer services. The client is always at the heart of what we do. Your customer support service has to be beyond compare. Your trading experience has to be the best of the best. The Hot Forex team is ready to deliver trading services that you can rely on every time. And this is not just a mission, it's a promise. Hot Forex, with you every step of the way.